Well, hello my beauties. This is your girl Mattie and I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing a DIY face mask using Colgate toothpaste and Vaseline petroleum jelly. And the reason why I'm using this mask is because I've noticed that my skin is getting acne, pimples, and they're leaving dark spots. And it's also good for anti-aging since I am getting older. So I'm starting off with this Colgate toothpaste. And I'm going to add it into a bowl and add some Vaseline petroleum jelly to it. And I'm using about a tablespoon. I'm just eyeballing this. And maybe a teaspoon and a half of this petroleum jelly. And I'm going to mix it well so that I can apply it to my face. So keep in mind that toothpaste is good for redness of the skin and swelling as well. And it also prevents bacteria from spreading to other pores of the face. It dries out your pimples and draws impurity out of the pores and reduces the pimple size. And it also is a good antibacterial property which kills the bacteria that causes acne. And the toothpaste also have bleaching and absorbent properties that heals the acne and other dark spots on the face. And it also contains baking soda which exfoliates to remove toxin and balance the skin pH level. Toothpaste also contains a small amount of hydrogen peroxide, which is antibacterial and kills the bacteria that causes acne. And as for the Vaseline petroleum jelly, it does not clog your pores. It also hydrates, moisturizes your skin real well. So now I'm going to let this mask sit on my face for about an hour and a half. You can leave it on for 2 hours. You can even sleep in it overnight for 2 hours. But I'm just going to do this for the daytime. So now, since I've let it sit for about an hour and 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove it just with a dry cloth, just to show you guys what it's looking like a little bit, not much. But after I finish removing it with this dry cloth, I'm going to take a warm washcloth and remove the rest of this mask from my face, and I will share with you guys what my face looks like after. Well, okay you guys, I finished up the mask and removed it, and y'all, the face feels so good. Oh my god, it feels so good. Oh my god, it feels good. If you continue using this consistently, maybe once or twice weekly, you will start to see lots of improvement. And you guys, this mask is the bomb. So yes, so you guys, don't forget to share this video and try it out if you would like to, you know. But first, you know, if you feel like your skin is sensitive to menthol from the toothpaste, make sure you test it out first, like either on your arm or something, so you wouldn't break out. I'm not a physician, I'm not a dermatologist. I'm just trying out this new mask, which is toothpaste plus Vaseline, and you mix it together and you spread it all over your face, and you can leave it on for about 2 hours if you wanted to, but I left it on for about an hour and 30 minutes. So yeah, I love the way my face feels, you guys. Oh, that is one of the main ingredients for skincare, is moisture, hydration. So you guys, oh my god. So I haven't put anything else on my face. I didn't cleanse my face when I removed the toothpaste and the Vaseline. I just removed it with a wet cloth, warm wet cloth. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply some more moisture to it. Which my face is already moisturized, but I'm still add some moisture to it. So I'm going to use some of my sweet almond oil and my Cetaphil, which is a light moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply both of them together. I'm just kind of going to mix it together. And I do this all the time, so. So you guys, try it if you would like. Oh my God, it just feels so good. Don't forget your neck. Oh, you guys, this is so nice. So you guys, this here mask, oh my God, feels so good. I make sure I massage in those laugh lines I have. Yeah, I love this mask. And you know, guys, if any of you have been watching my videos, you know that I have been using a lot of masks on my face. I love masks, and I'm definitely into masks now. You know, I'm getting older. Yes, I am. I've started incorporating a lot of masks into my skincare. So yes, this here is the bomb. So you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit on that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos are uploaded on my channel. And please don't forget to share this video. I know it's someone out there would love to see this. So yes, and you definitely will get some great results from this. You just have to stay consistent with it. And yeah, so yeah, you guys. And until next time, you all be blessed. And don't forget to be a blessing. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.